Welcome to the NAV People's Knowledge Hub. In this video, we will show you how to process the receipt of goods purchased from a vendor. To start, we will check the inventory levels for the stock that we are purchasing. We will be purchasing items LS120 and LS150. To go to the items, select Items from the menu and enter the filter LS. If we look at item LS120, we can see it has inventory of 24 and LS150 has 13. Now to buy some stock. Go to Buying and Stock and choose Purchase Orders from the menu. Then select New from the ribbon. Enter your vendor number, the vendor invoice number, and enter the items LS120 and LS150. Enter your location code and the amount that you wish to buy. We will buy 5 of each. Release and post the purchase order. Now return to your items and add the filter LS again. You can see that item LS120 has increased from 24 to 29. And item LS150 has increased from 13 to 18. And this is the receipt of goods. The NAV people offer free training on all aspects of NAV. Please visit our website to find out more, www.thenavpeople.com.